Hi guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. It's your girl again, Slay LT, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Like, comment on this video if you like this video. Go ahead and turn the notifications on so you guys know when I post a new video. I can't stress that enough. I'm gonna just start posting a whole bunch of videos, so you guys will see a whole flux of videos soon, and you're not gonna know if those videos are uploaded if you're not notified. Hello. So go ahead and turn that notification on so you guys will know when I post a new video. So I'm probably looking this way because I have my camera sideways, so you guys have to forgive me. Right now I'm in the process of updating my glam room, so it does look a little bit messy. That's all fine and dandy. If you don't like it, I don't know what to tell you because I'm in the process of doing it, so you're just gonna have to roll with it, sweetie. Okay. So today I have my first dupe video. I am so excited. I have already seen the dupes, but let me just say this. Okay, let me just get right into it. So I'm gonna chop this video up into 3 videos. I actually have 4 dupes, but so you will see me with the same outfit, same atmosphere on, but it's going to be 4 different videos. And the reason being is because I'm just going to do like a quick tutorial on each item that I purchased. These all had different vendors, so let me just say that before I get into it, because the thing that I've learned about dupes, and I am going to do a little talking here just to give you guys some information to let you guys know how I just got into the dupe game. So I'm kind of learning the different vendors and things you need to look out for, how to purchase, how to communicate with your seller, things you should ask for, specific questions you should ask for when purchasing dupes. I was kind of leery at first because I've seen a lot of videos with people purchasing dupes, and let me just say, some of these girls, they have it down pat. Look, sis, if you got it, hook your girl up. I'm still learning, but I did plug into several companies, and so far what I'm seeing is good. I do have a lot of bags coming, so I'm going to show you guys that in the near future, but for right now, this is my first dupe order. So the bag that we're going to talk about on this video is my first Prada dupe. Now let me just say this, when I first reached out to this company to purchase this dupe, I was like, I was kind of funny about purchasing a dupe, because if you guys seen any of my videos, I love labels. And not to say that I'm obsessed with labels in a sense, but I love fashion. Fashion's always been my zhush. It's always been my passion. Even though I know in a lot of these videos I don't show out. You guys probably never seen a video of me showing, and I'm gonna get into that. That's the whole life of Slay LT, is to enter the fashion world, show you guys what I have, how to mix things up, how to be your own unique fashion, how to express yourself through your fashion, colors, ideas, things that you can put together. So that's what we're going to get to. We're leading up to that. I am going to stop posting videos. I am on a weight loss journey right now, so my biggest thing is I'm buying pieces that I can fit now, but pieces that I have goals to reach. In the next couple of months, you guys will see a lot of videos of me posting outfits, OOTDs. You will see me probably see me posting a lot of nail videos, a lot of hair videos, a lot of wig videos. I don't know if you guys can see, but I have so many wigs that I need to upload pictures and videos on, all that good stuff. Purses, shoes, you name it, clothes. I just love to look good. I love to feel good. I love fashion. I like helping people put pieces together. I'm not a stylist, but I have the passion for fashion, I should say. But excuse me, I'm going to get into that in another video, but for right now, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys this dupe, because I'm trying to keep this video under 10 minutes. Again, I'm going to do 3 different videos of the 3 different dupes that I have, to show you guys what I have. And I will let you guys know what seller I use. But one thing I did learn about Alibaba, I'm sorry, I'm not going to name drop, forget Alibaba, didn't buy these from Alibaba. The sellers that I purchased them under, you have to communicate. I can't even stress this enough. Communicate with your seller, because if you do not communicate with your seller and let them know what you're looking for, communicate with your seller. The thing about the dupe game, once you unlock that world, there's so many beautiful products that you can get for low cost. I mean, me personally, I do plan on purchasing more authentic pieces. When I say authentic pieces, I do have a lot of authentic pieces, but there's different level of products that you purchase. Like you have your Louis, you have your Chanel's, you have your Dior's, you have your Prada's. Then you have like your Vince Camutos. You have your Michael Kors, you have your Coaches, you have your Kate Spade. All of those middle ones that I just mentioned, conglomerate of middle pieces that I just mentioned, those are bags that are all authentic. Authentic. I don't know if it's authenticate, but all those are authentic pieces. Why am I having problems saying that today? Authentic pieces that I have. Now, bags that you purchase like at your regular Walmart or whatever, trust me, your girl have those bags cute too. You see those, that all the bags that I have over here, with the exception of my Michael Kors bag that's in the front, my Michael Kors crossbody, those bags are bags that I just purchase either from online stores or from like your Walmarts, or like sometimes I'll go into Roses and those type of stores and I see a cute bag and I'll be like, okay, this is cute, this will go good with any type of outfit that I have, so I just pick it up. And those bags are usually like under $20. They're real cute, they last a long time as long as you take care of them, so never have any problems with those. Then you have your Kate Spade, Vince Camutos, those type of bags that are more high-end, but they're not like extremely high-end, like your Dior's, your Prada's, as I mentioned earlier, Louis Vuitton's, Chanel's. I can go on and on and on. YSL. But one thing that I did learn with the dupes, again, I don't even know how many times I gotta say this, you have to communicate with these sellers, because the first dupe that I purchased was a nightmare. First of all, the bag took forever to get here. When the bag did come, I was so excited to just open it. I spent $50 for the bag. I'm going to show you a video that's a whole different story. My second order, which is the order that I'm showing you right now, I opted to go with a different seller. And the reason I said started at the beginning was because I started to order from the original seller, the first seller again. But I was like, you know what? I'm not going to play myself twice. So I was like, okay, well, let me try somebody else. So, and at that time, I had kind of learned the game a little bit. I learned that you do have to let the seller know what type of bag you're actually looking for, because a lot of times on these websites, they will post the bag, they will blur out the words on the bag, so you don't know if you're getting a Chanel or a Channel. Let's just say that the bag itself is cute, but it's not actually a dupe. It's just a bag that looks like the authentic bag, but with a different word. So if that makes any sense to you, you guys, I'm going to post a video. I'm more than likely going to link it in this video, and that will be the link to the video of the bag that I'm talking about. But in this video, let's go ahead and get into it. So this video is a video of this bag. I've already unbagged it, unboxed it. Actually, it didn't come in a box. This one actually came in a bag. The bag has my address on it, so I'm not going to show you guys the bag. I've already taken out the bag. I've already seen it. And this one, I'm not even going to say nothing real bad about it, because this bag wasn't horrible. As you can see, my one of my wardrobe racks broke this morning, so I have to fix that. But let me show you guys what this is. So this bag is a Prada bag. Now at first glance, when I first looked at this bag, I was like, okay, coming from the bag that I just had the bad experience with, I will give this bag probably about a 6, right? But then I started digging deeper. So I was like, okay, the color is cute. This was already a no for me. So you can see the handle on the bag. It's a little rigid. Now, more than likely, I'm going to use this bag. I will wear this bag out probably if I go like on a dinner date at night. Something where it's not really like a professional meeting or anything like that. I will not wear this bag. And the reason being is because if anybody knows anything about Prada, most of their bags have that diamond emblem that goes over the word Prada. Okay? This bag does not. The second thing I noticed when I turned the bag this way was this. Now, there's no reason why I would purchase a new bag and this bag isn't aligned here. And even on a bad dupe, I feel like at least the seller should have took the time to make sure that this bag was not damaged through shipment, because that would probably be the only excuse that they could give me for this bag. It came in a plastic bag, which is this bag here. I was trying to check to see if it had my address on it, and it does. I showed you guys my address on, so I'll try to blur that out. But it came in that bag. Then when I opened the bag, I was like, okay, so that's already 2 strikes. They didn't secure the strap enough where it's not bent. Now, you guys know, anybody who's like really into purses, you know that once your strap is bent out of shape, it's almost impossible to get the strap. And I'm doing some more research online just to see how I can kind of recover this strap enough where it's not bent like this. So now my only option at this point is to wear the bag with the handle like that. And just you know, looking at the small things that could go wrong with this bag. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's some type of weird tape that's coming from this. So opening the bag, you know, you have your purse fillers. There's nothing in here in this bag that says Prada at all. Now, what really got me upset was this bag was, I believe I paid $30 for it. I can't even remember. It was either 30 or 50. I probably said 50. Whatever it was, it wasn't enough for me to get excited about. So, if you guys can see this right here, this is the zip to this bag, right? Look at this. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but this thing sounds like a little trinket. And when I say it looks and feel like it sounds, that's exactly what it is. It's very cheaply made. I mean, now the reason that I'm kind of upset about this bag, even though it's a dupe, the reason why I'm upset with this bag is because, and the reason why I showed you guys this bag as opposed to the bags back there, some of my bags back there that you see hanging off that rack, I believe one of those bags was probably more than this bag. And I'm sorry, less than this bag, but the quality is way better, which is ridiculous. Now, you also have to keep in mind, when you purchase dupes, you have to pay for the actual dupe, and then you have to pay for shipping. So that's why when I said the bag was $30, even though this bag may have been $30 with shipping, I paid damn near $60 for this bag. So you're looking at a Prada bag that it's just poorly made. And I'm kind of even mad at myself because I did give the seller, I believe I gave the seller like 4 stars or something like that. This seller deserves 2 stars, and I would just give the 2 stars really because I like the color, and because this bag actually didn't take that long to come. The other bag did take a while to come. So yeah, I'm just not happy about it. But when you get dupes, sometimes you get duped, and this is one of those times I feel like I got duped. It didn't even come with the box. The seller that I'm speaking with now about some other items that I'm purchasing, it does come with the box. One thing I did realize, that's why I said you have to communicate with your sellers, girls. Girls, look, whoever purchases from these people, sis, bruh, you have to communicate with your seller, because if you don't specify that you want your purchase, and this is stupid, but I learned this, I had to learn it, didn't know it, I had to learn it. If you do not communicate with your seller and let them know that you want the box that comes with the bag, they're not going to send it. If you do not specify that you want to make sure that your product has that emblem around it, they're not going to have the emblem around it. And I know it's stupid, but you want to ask questions about your bag. If you're serious about purchasing dupes and you're actually wanting to use these bags out in the street, somebody's going to walk up to you. And for me, I don't care, because even though I'm in the process of building my empire is starting. I'm building it. So right now, I can't see myself spending $1,000 on a bag. I'm just not going to do it. That's just not gonna happen. I have so many important things that I can spend money on, and $1,000 on a bag ain't it. Now, I have spent money on bags, I'm not gonna lie, I have, but it's gonna be a no for me. But anyway, so again, communicate with your sellers. But this dupe, this is the first dupe that I'm actually doing a video on, and I'm gonna have to give this one a thumbs down, you guys. This is a no. Slay or nay, this is definitely a nay for me. This is not something that it's not even a store quality bag to me at this point, because it's just not. So, but again, like I said, if I do decide to use this bag, it will probably be out on a date, maybe with Bae, late at night, where I don't have people just like, oh, is that a Prada or a Nada? Definitely a Nada. But yeah, so that's it. Again, communicate with your seller. So we're at the end of this video. I'm gonna go ahead and post the YSL. I'll have the link for that video in this video down below. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Like this video. If you like this video, thumbs up. Set up your notifications to come on, share it with your friends, and thank you guys for the support. You guys that have supported me so far while I'm building my channel. I promise you guys I'm going to bring you guys a lot more content, and always remember to be awesome and do awesome things. Thank you guys again, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.